All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with ClickMill.co. So in this video, we're going to address what is called historical moral relativism. And this is the idea that not necessarily that the culture plays the role in defining morality, but that the time frame is what creates or influences morality. So the argument here is that, well, morality changes over time. And so they can address this from a culture from the past and focus on the culture, or we can address it and they can bring it up from a time frame. Well, it was different back then. It was, everybody believed in whatever day and time that it was okay to do X. So it was okay. So it's very close to cultural, but we're focused on the time instead of the culture. Now, what is the argument for this? It's the same thing. Oh, so you're telling me that because in the 1800s, everybody believed it was okay to own people and exploit their labor and sell their children and bring them over on slave ships where the survival rates were super low, that's totally morally acceptable. Same thing applies that we discussed in the last video. If they say, yep, that's it, okay, they're a crazy person and that's fine. You're not going to come to any reasonable conclusion with that person. Everybody listening is going to know they're crazy and they're going to be like, great. So tell me about Jesus. Like, that's kind of where that goes. Where do you get your morality? You get my morality from God. That's the logical conclusion here. Now, if they do shift, they may shift again. So let's look at another position they can take that is included within the relativism sort of framework. And again, they may move again. So let's go ahead and let's look at the next one. You're going to start to see you don't have to be the world's greatest mind to use and debunk relativism on basically every front. So I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about religious moral relativism. See you there.